Hi, welcome to the Business Financial Network. Today, on our popular segment called the Stock Radar, we will be sharing this very unique company providing an innovation in the ever-expanding fintech sector. Here, we stay committed to keeping our trading club members and viewers abreast on today's top undiscovered, underexposed, undervalued, brand new asset classes and emerging issuers in the world's markets. Please note, all the information being shared is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep winning though, you gotta keep watching. We appreciate your time here at the BFN and encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the other side.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And today, on our popular segment called the Stock Radar, we're motivated about this emerging asset class of financial tech, commonly known as fintech. And in today's marketplace, online interactions are increasingly important. In 2013, Eric Snowden revealed how government agencies like the NSA and the CIA are hacking some of the largest data centers of tech companies like Google and Yahoo. Hence, the need for big techs to further secure their data flow management in this era of rising remote work. We here at the BFN are excited to share this emerging gem of a company, Nubeva Technologies, symbol NBVA on the TSX Venture and NBVAF on the OTC in the States, as they assist enterprise companies to properly encrypt their data and community engagement against cyber warfare. This is a highly technical and detailed industry, and we will do our best to create a brief overview of key points and factors for our investment community and trading club members. Nubeva Technologies, TLS Decryption evolved. Better, faster, easier. Breakthrough software for modern network visibility. Nubeva develops and licenses enterprise-class software for the decryption of TLS SSL network traffic. We enable deep packet inspection for cybersecurity and application monitoring systems and services. Nubeva solves the growing visibility, performance, and complexity gaps introduced by the evolution of TLS, newer networks and application architectures, and the continuous scaling of network traffic. Our solution, Session Key Intercept, the solution for better, faster, and easier decrypted visibility. So to put this in perspective, what Nubeva does is they develop and license software for decryption and network traffic. To conduct inspection, decryption is vital, as 85% of the web traffic is encrypted, with 54% of that 85% being security threats hiding in that encrypted traffic. To give you a real world application, any bank or healthcare organization has over 200 cybersecurity products scanning everything you do with them, whether you're online with them, talking with them on the phone, or at the ATM. 200 different cybersecurity products will scan the encryption data to see what's going on at any moment. What happened is Google made a huge shift in encryption protocols, ensuring that no one can see anything anymore, leaving many of those same products that were being used over the last 5 to 10 years useless. See into any session. Nubeva enables application and security inspection. See all encrypted network data. Eliminate bypass and exceptions. No certificate, CA, or key pair management. Line rate throughput with little latency. TLS inspection is too hard today, but it doesn't have to be. So what's happened is TLS 1.3 is the new level of decryption that banks, healthcare organizations, telecom companies, internet providers, brokerage firms, this is the type of cloud environment that they are having online transactions and engagement with their clients, services, patients, and etc. So as you can see here, Nubeva can work in multifaceted enterprise solutions, and it works with secure web gateways, SD-WANs, firewalls, IPS, APTS, IDs, and app monitoring. Securely discover and deliver keys to leading inspection systems. Session Key Intercept. Nubeva's Session Key Intercept breakthrough technology automatically discovers the individual session encryption secrets from TLS clients and or servers and forwards them to authorized decryption systems in real time. SKI works reliably, securely, and quickly to support inline and passive applications without altering code, libraries, architectures, or downgrading TLS levels. With session secrets in hand, simpler, easier, and higher performance bulk decryption can be employed, delivering higher throughputs and lower latencies for better capability and price performance. So even if an organization has the top TLS encryption channels between its source to client to server to ATM and so forth, their SKI solution ensures that they can still get the session keys in a way that satisfies the tech giants, compliance companies, banks, and everybody else, and see into the data with the permission of the bank or the end user and scan it without being in between, which from my understanding is a game changer. There's no other company stating that they have the ability to do this. As you can imagine, more and more encryption is being used today, and those same tools that used to catch hackers that aren't functioning anymore because of TLS 1.3, now with Nubeva's tech, they can actually start functioning again. So it looks like here, Nubeva SKI is universal. Outbound web access, inline data center and cloud, passive monitoring, host-based inspection, and 5G service mesh Kubernetes. Okay, so some of the technologies that work with Nubeva. As you can see here, they have a tremendous portfolio of technologies that can work with them. SKI Product Suite. Nubeva's products provide a modular suite of components to implement SKI-based decryption for your systems. SKI Discovery Centers, a suite of host sensors and containers that securely and reliably discover, extract, and forward session secrets. SKI Decryption and C Library, an advanced C library for high-speed decryption to enable new and existing data planes and technologies. And SKI Decryption Container, a turnkey container solution that securely matches session secrets with packet streams and decrypts out. As I said to you folks before, this is a heightenedly sought after space as fintech is becoming the new norm. More and more people are working at home. More and more people are trading. More and more people are relying on the security of online engagement. So Nubeva launched Session Key Intercept SKI as a breakthrough patented technology that offers scalable, high-performance, low-latency decryption solution for deep packet inspections. They gained market validation in 2020 with 5 global enterprises in areas of cybersecurity, network monitoring, and 5G integration. And that's just the beginning. The increase of remote work, 5G introduction, and IoT, the Internet of Things, the amount of encrypted internet traffic will increase exponentially. And it's imperative that companies have a cost-effective, scalable way to decrypt network traffic for the purposes of monitoring performance of their systems and to ensure the security of their precious data. I believe here at the BFN that Nubeva is well positioned to address this market need. So that is their product. It's simple yet powerful. I strongly encourage everyone to check out nubeva.com and get an idea of what the session keys, interaction, decryption, transportation look like, as this company, in my opinion, is well positioned to service this growing exponential need. Capability, performance, simplicity, universal, extensible. Wow, I fully believe that this company is at the start of a huge industry. I'm really impressed. This site is very informative. Let's look a little bit at the management team now. Our leadership team. Randy Chu. Mr. Chu's experience spans 20 years of technical and management leadership in cloud, security, storage, and networking fields. His most recent venture, where he was a co-founder and COO, Panzura, received $58 million in funding led by 4 of Silicon Valley's top venture capital firms, Matrix, Khosla, Opus, and Meritech. Prior to this, Mr. Chu was a part of the founding team at Aruba Networks, which became the leader in the enterprise Wi-Fi security market. Mr. Chu was with Aruba from July 2002 to July 2008 and left Aruba to found Panzura at that time. Aruba filed for an IPO on the NASDAQ in 2007 and was acquired by HP Enterprise in 2015 for $3 billion. Before Aruba, Mr. Chu led the development of SSL security and load balancing software at Alteon Web Systems, which went public in 1999 and was acquired by Nortel Networks for $7.8 billion. Mr. Chu holds a degree in computer science from USC Berkeley, and he is based in Silicon Valley. Greg Bannister. Mr. Bannister has over 20 years of experience in the US startups working across Asia and Europe. He has led technical teams across countries and time zones to serve a variety of customers from international carriers and Fortune 500 companies through local end users as well as international distributors and resellers. He was an early employee at both Panzura and Aruba and was instrumental in developing and bringing these technologies to market. Prior to Aruba, he was based in Tokyo for Redback Networks, which went public in 1999 for $1.8 billion. Mr. Bannister graduated with an honors degree in electronic engineering and Physics from the University of Western Australia. He lives and works out of Sydney, Australia. So he's also a founder and CTO. Steve Perkins, CMO and Head of Product. Mr. Perkins is responsible for Nubeva's go-to-market strategy and execution, including sales, marketing, brand, channels, and business development. He's a 27-year veteran in computing, networking, and information security. Mr. Perkins brings extensive knowledge and experience, including his role as CMO at Optiv Security, where he led all aspects of marketing and communications and go-to-market strategy prior to its $2 billion acquisition in early 2017. Prior to Optiv Security, he held sales and marketing leadership positions at Aruba before its $3 billion IPO on the NASDAQ. Mr. Perkins owns 7 of the top 10 largest accounts at Aruba in its first 3 years of product sales. He also held leadership positions at Kiko Inc., Cisco Systems, Hewlett-Packard & Co., and 3M Company. Mr. Perkins holds a Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Southern California. Juliet Jones, the CFO. Ms. Jones, CPA, CGA, has over 20 years of experience working for publicly traded companies, primarily in the technology industry. She has acted in CFO and CEO roles at Peace Arc Entertainment, a TSC-listed company that completed a U.S. IPO. Peace Arc Entertainment has produced over 200 hours of television programming. Ms. Jones was a CFO of WebTech Wireless, a TSX-listed SaaS company, raising over $50 million in equity and growing its market cap to $480 million. She worked with Now Public Technologies, a private company that sold to the Examiner.com. Most recently, Ms. Jones was CFO of Loopshare Limited, a Canadian company that completed a reverse takeover and listed on the TSX Venture in June 2016. Wow, pretty experienced leadership team, especially in the space. And again, I strongly recommend for all of our audience to check out the investor section of their website, and you could check out their advisory team in more detail. So now let's check out a little bit of the press. Oh wow, it looks like their news cycle is quite robust. So let's look at the most recent. Nubeva validates TLS decryption capabilities for Microsoft Windows Server 2022 preview. June 22nd. Okay, this is quite current news. So Nubeva Technologies, a developer of B2B decryption software that broadens network traffic security and visibility, today announces initial support for Windows Server 2022. Okay. So these guys are ahead of the game. That's exciting. Again, I strongly recommend for all of our viewers to check out their website and read more about their press. Now, let's take some time and look at their stock. Let's do some chart analysis. So it looks like this stock has received a tremendous amount of price appreciation over its time. And it's been trading now since 2018. Over that time, it's had, as most companies do have, and most stocks do have, its ups and downs. And most recently, it seems it broke out right here at the end of 2020. And it started creating a new pathway. And now it looks like to me that it needs to find some support. So let's look for support to build out between 90 cents and $1.18, and then a breakout towards 142. So we here at the BFN are in the mindset that investors can tremendously benefit. Please note, all the information being shared here is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep on winning though, you got to keep on watching. So we appreciate your time here at the BFN, and we encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your alerts. As this is Roger Chowdhury, signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Stay blessed.